It's good to see you today, Anthony. How much do you attribute this decline in the share value and the market value of Tesla to Elon Musk's activities elsewhere?
Good morning, and thank you for having me. Yeah, a big part of it now also is definitely activity of Elon Musk elsewhere, especially in politics. But the biggest chunk too, I think, is because of Elon Musk's activity in Tesla over the past few years. I think there's been a series of misguided strategic initiatives. One of them is the focus on the Cybertruck, and not focusing enough on a cheaper car with Tesla that this hasn't allowed it to be able to be competitive and compete with the new upcoming car companies. I think not having that cheaper car is definitely weighing down on sales today. And then add to that all the news flow that is coming from Elon Musk involvement in politics, and the backlash from investors and buyers in the U.S. and Europe.
What do you make of Tesla's 2 million EV sales target, and whether it's on track to meet that goal?
I think one of the reasons we're seeing this big decline over the past 2 weeks, it's because the doubts about Tesla meeting the 2 million target is growing. And, especially after seeing in Europe sales declining 45 to 60% year over year. And also in some of the big states like California, where Tesla sales have been consistently declining, it's gonna be hard for Tesla to be able to meet that target. In China as well, Tesla's facing big competition from major car companies like BYD, NIO, XPeng, Li Auto. So this is going to make it harder for Tesla. It's going to be key to see the release of the Tesla Model 2, its design and the price, to be able to make more meaningful assumptions about sales for this year.
The new Model Y just launched as well. You've got robo-taxi that is going to start testing in Austin. What other, do you think, tailwinds could propel Tesla to reverse course?
Exactly. So in the long term, I think Tesla has some mega drivers baking, but you never know. We don't know exactly when those are going to materialize. The FSD is one. We're seeing now Tesla apply for the ride-hailing license in California. The humanoid robot could be interesting, especially for manufacturing. Also, renewable energy with Solar City.
Anthony,
could be a big push.
Do you think that
Yes.
Tesla at $281 a share, is this an attractive entry point?
I think we are getting there, but in the absence of a short-term catalyst and the pressure coming from Elon Musk extra activities, this is going to be a little bit hard to justify in the short term. But I think in the long term, this price is getting closer to an attractive entry point.